Good afternoon, student of class 10. We are starting from magnetic field due to a current carrying cylindrical coil that is called solenoid. So you have to know first what is solenoid. If a conducting wire means which able to carry current is wound in form of cylindrical coil, means take a conducting coil and make it a cylindrical shape whose diameter is less than comparison to its length. The coil is called a solenoid. Let's look at it. If a wire is taken and if you are able to give the shape like that, you can see that shape. This is known as solenoid. Here an experiment is done to obtain a magnetic field lines due to a current carrying solenoid. That means if there is a current flow in the solenoid, what type of magnetic field will be generated? Look at that, this is a solenoid. A battery is connected to that, you can see that. Here is a battery is connected, you can see that. And current, as the current is flowing from this side to that side. So in that side, in which direction the current is flowing, that is north direction, and it is flowing from that to that, that means this is north and this is south direction. So what type of magnetic field will generate? Magnetic field will generate like this, from this direction, because magnetic field always moves from north side to the south side. So here some properties of magnetic field lines is given. The magnetic field lines inside the solenoid are nearly straight. You can say that, you can check it out there. The magnetic field line are straight inside the solenoid. The magnetic field lines become denser and stronger. Magnetic field become denser on increasing the current. As you increase the current, thus magnetic field line will be more dense. The magnetic field line is increased if the number of turns of the solenoid of the given length is, if the number of turns increase, then magnetic field is increased. The magnetic field is also increased if a soft iron is placed along axis. That means you can see that is solenoid. If you placed a soft iron inside that solenoid, the magnetic field will be more strong. In figure, end of B at which the direction of current is anti-clockwise behaves as a north pole. That means in this direction you can see that in that direction current is flowing like that. That means that what type of flow is that? Then this is anti-clockwise. That's why it is a north direction, and here it is south direction. Okay, similarity between current carrying solenoid and a bar magnet. Magnetic field lines of a current carrying solenoid are similar to magnetic field lines of a bar magnet. It's behave like, that's why it is behave like a bar magnet. A current carrying solenoid, when suspended freely, it is always showing the direction of north and south. A current carrying solenoid also acquires the attractive property of magnet. Dissimilarity. What is the dissimilarity between bar magnet and solenoid? The strength of the magnetic field due to a solenoid can be changed by changing the current. But in case of bar magnet, you can't change the strength. The direction of magnetic field also can be changed by reversing the current. But in case of bar magnet, you can't change the direction. Electromagnet, because of the flow of electric, you already learned that some of the material converted to magnet, and these are known as electromagnet. This is temporary magnet, because when it stop the flow of electron or flow of electric, then electromagnet will be again converted to a simple metal. So this will be act as a magnet up to the time when the electric is flowing. If you stop the electric flow, that will be again converted to a simple metal. That's why we can call it temporary magnet, because the magnet is not permanent. Construction of I-shaped magnet. How they have made a I-shaped magnet? They have taken a piece of metal That is here they are, then they have taken a copper wire and wound around it. And how the process is related, it is starting from here PQ and they wound it like that, and then ending at here, and then join that 2 points from both sides to a battery. And when the electric will flow as in this direction, this is current flow is anti-clockwise, in this direction north flow will be created, and at that direction wherever that is in clockwise direction the current is flowing, that direction the current south pole will be created. Construction of U-shaped, you can check it out there and you can read it in brief. You have to take a U-shaped material, soft iron core is taken normally, then you have to wound the wire, copper wire like this, then you have to connect a battery with that, and when the electric will flow, that will be converted to a electromagnet. Ways of increasing a magnetic field, you have to increase the number of turns or you have to increase the current. Permanent magnet, that means these magnets is naturally made, nobody made this, and these are permanent. If you stop the current or if you change the environment, the permanent magnet will not lose its magnetism. And there is a difference between electromagnet and permanent magnet. Is the first point, it is sure. It is made of soft iron, it is made of normal steel. It produces magnetic field so long as current flow, but it is a permanent. This is not depends on the current flow. There are other dissimilarity you can find out. Advantage of an electromagnet over a permanent magnet. What are the advantages there in electromagnet? Electromagnet can produce a strong magnetic field. Strength of magnetic field of an electromagnet can easily be changed by changing the current. You can change the polarity also. Uses of electromagnet, there are many uses: for loading a furnace with iron, for separating the iron piece from the other, from removing the piece of iron from wounds. It is in scientific research to study magnetic properties in several electric devices such as electric bell, telegraph, electric tram. Electromagnet is used. So there are some material is given like electric bell. How does it works? There is a process shown here. You can check it out the figure. This is gong and there is a hammer. This is the main two parts of that. And construction, how they have fixed that, you have to read that. What is the main things in that? There is an U-shaped magnet is fitted and that is connected to a current. When the battery or current is flow, that U-shaped material is converted to electromagnet and it attracts that hammer, and they strike that gong. As a result, sound is produced. And when you stop the electric switch, it will again come back to its position due to its adjusting screw. There is an adjusting screw which is pulling that hammer. So when you stop that current flow, it will be converted to simple metal and it will be come back to its own position. Again if you giving the current, then it will be again converted to electromagnet and it will attract the hammer. It will again strike the gong. This is the way in which electric bell is working. And there is some example or there is some more question is there. You have to read that. And there is some question. Let's discuss the question. State a law which determine the direction of magnetic field around a current carrying wire. And you can I have said that right hand thumb rule. State wire lying in a horizontal plane carrying a current from north to south. You have to read that and understand. If you are not able to understand this question, you have to ask me the question. I will explain that again. There is many questions, you have to solve them. If you found any problem in your home for solving them, you can ask me the question.